So let's get our attention on Maharashtra, on what's expected today. Yesterday was all about how the BJP and the Mahayuti managed a complete sweep across Maharashtra, winning almost 3/4 of the majority in Maharashtra. But now, after the result has settled in, after it was given a sweeping mandate for the Mahayuti, Brand Modi, after all, is the power behind the saffron surge and the alliance securing 234 seats. After the massive victory, the next big question remains on who will be the chief minister. Who is going to be the chief minister? Is it going to be Eknath Shinde or is it going to be Devendra Fadnavis? That question still remains. The BJP leaders are eyeing the CM post for Devendra Fadnavis, Shinde Sena wanting Eknath Shinde to continue. So let's listen in to what the top leaders of the Mahayuti have said on the CM post after securing a clear mandate.
सीएम पद के ऊपर कोई भी विवाद यहाँ नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि पहले दिन से ये तय है कि चुनाव जब संपन्न होगा तो चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां मिलकर इसको तय करेगी। हमारे नेता आदरणीय होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में बताया है कि चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां बैठेगी और इसका निर्णय करेगी। अभी मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि हमारे एकनाथ शिंदे जी उनके पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं, अजित पवार जी उनकी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं और साथ में हमारे पार्टी के जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं उनको हमारा पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड ऑथराइज करता है। तो ये लोग बैठकर एक उचित निर्णय करेंगे, हमारे वरिष्ठ नेताओं से बातचीत करेंगे, हमारे पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड से बातचीत करेंगे। जो निर्णय होगा वो सबको मान्य होगा, इसमें कोई विवाद नहीं।
जनतेने लाडक्या मुख्यमंत्र्यांना पाठिंबा दिला, जनतेने लाडक्या मुख्यमंत्र्यांना
इस वक्त एक बड़ा चर्चा का विषय है।
लाडक्या भावाला खूप सहकार्य केले, आशीर्वाद दिलेला आहे आणि नक्की आमची जबाबदारी आता वाढलेली आहे। आता हे सगळे आकडे आल्यानंतर, सगळे नंबर अंतिम झाल्यानंतर आम्ही तिन्ही पक्ष एकत्र बसू आणि जो निर्णय आहे तो जसा आम्ही समन्वयाने हा निर्णय घेतला तसा समन्वयाने निर्णय तोही होईल।
For the Maharashtra Assembly election underway, parties in the state will have 48 hours to keep the state from President's rule. That's because of the term of the current Assembly ending on the 26th of November. Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar spoke to the NCP's Praful Patel on the next CM face and the race against the clock for the Mahayuti to take the decision.
This time around, are we going to have the similar situation of one chief minister and two deputy chief ministers? And who's going to be the chief minister is the question everybody, every citizen living in Maharashtra wants to know. कौन बनेगा मुख्यमंत्री?
बन जाएगा 2 दिन में, आप खुद ही देख लेंगे। पर इतना मैं कहूंगा कि it's not about the chief minister alone, the issue. The issue is that first, all three parties have to elect their own legislative party leaders, which will all be done tomorrow for sure. After that, I'm sure we will all sit across the table and maybe there will be some little intervention from the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership, because at the end of the day, you cannot take the fact away that it is the largest party in the coalition. It was also earlier the largest party. They had 106 MLAs and they had 9 supporting MLAs. So 115 people were on one side. And both of us together were less than the 115. So there's no confusion in our mind that the Bharatiya Janata Party is the largest party and the most important party in the alliance, after all, the anchor. So in a way, we have to first elect our leaders, then sit across the table.
But there is absolutely no suspense. The NCP will elect Ajit Pawar. The Shiv Sena will elect Eknath Shinde. That's a done deal. I want to ask you.
That's a process. You have to do it.
I'm not talking about the process.
How do you give a letter to the governor without electing your leader? How do you stake claim to form a government without electing a leader? So that process will be done tomorrow. I'm agreeing with you, but by tomorrow evening or latest by 25th, because the fact is that the term of the Maharashtra Assembly ends on 26th of this month. So the chief minister and at least the 2 deputy chief ministers will be sworn in definitely latest by the 26th. There is no question, and therefore this confusion or this suspense, if at all people want to say, is not going to last too long. But one thing is you have to acknowledge that without the consent and without the guidance of the Bharatiya Janata Party, see, they are 130 plus and maybe 131. I think we cannot.
133 the last I saw.
Okay, maybe 130. It's a dynamic, the numbers are keeping on going up for everybody, I would say, including us. So last I saw was 40, now it's 41. So things are dynamic. But apart from that, we have to consider the view of the Bharatiya Janata Party primarily because it is the single largest party, and by a long distance, both of us combined are less than the Bharatiya.
So now it's for the Mahayuti to decide who will be the chief minister. Remember, the alliance went into the polls with Eknath Shinde as the chief minister, but with BJP's phenomenal performances, there are voices from the BJP that say that Devendra Fadnavis should become the chief minister. Is there going to be a change? Sources also suggesting that the Shinde Sena has also suggested a 2.5-year term for chief minister. This could also be one of the options that the alliance will be looking at. Eknath Shinde for chief minister for 2.5 years for continuity, after which there could be a change. But is that something that the BJP will agree on? That remains a question. Today at noon, there's also a meeting that's scheduled. In that meeting, these decisions could be taken.